This presentation discusses the impacts of climate change on allergens and allergic diseases. Climate change does not only affect the environment but also human health, particularly through the increase of allergens that trigger allergic diseases. Climate change causes several secondary health effects. One of these is its impact on allergens, which leads to allergic diseases of global significance. These diseases are very common, increasing worldwide and impose a serious burden on both individuals and healthcare systems. Allergic diseases such as asthma and allergic rhinitis are among the most common chronic conditions worldwide. According to the World Health Organization, asthma affects more than 260 million people globally and causes over 450 deaths each year. Study shows that asthma symptoms are increasing in regions such as Africa, Latin America, and parts of Asia, largely due to environmental and climate-related factors. Climate change affects four major groups of allergens. These include respiratory allergens, contact allergens, plant food allergens, and insect allergens. Changes in temperature, rainfall, and carbon dioxide levels influence the production, distribution, and strength of these allergens. Studies have shown that elevated carbon dioxide levels increase the allergenicity of certain plants. Mohan and colleagues found that poison ivy grown under high carbon dioxide concentrations produced more toxic aerosol, the substance responsible for allergic skin reactions. This means that climate change can worsen skin allergies and allergic contact dermatitis. Climate change also influences indoor allergens. Increased humidity and flooding promote the growth of mold, while warmer temperatures allow house dust mites to survive in areas where they were previously uncommon. This increases exposure, especially among children and individuals with asthma. So climate change also affects plant food allergens. Increased atmospheric carbon dioxide and temperature have been linked to higher allergen levels in crops, such as peanuts. Research indicates that climate stress can increase the concentration of allergenic proteins, potentially raising the risk of food allergies, especially in children. Research on climate change and allergic diseases has grown significantly since the late 1990s. Scientific publications increased sharply after 2004, reflecting rising global concern about the health impacts of climate change. This growth parallels the overall increase in research on climate change and human health. So, in conclusion, climate change is already having significant effects on allergens and allergic diseases. Rising temperatures and carbon dioxide levels increase allergen production, extend exposure periods, and worsen disease severity. Addressing this issue requires climate change mitigation, public health adaptation strategies, and increased awareness to reduce the growing burden of allergic diseases worldwide. That's all. Thank you.